Hooray! A package has arrived for me from my latest online thrift store, so let's open it! I have been waiting for this for a little while, so I am quite excited. Wow! As you can see, it is very, very, very polka dotted and very, very, very long. Let's go try it on! La la! And yeah, it's very, very comfortable. It is very, very roomy, lots of space, and let's do some styling. So first up, let's pair it with some red accessories, belt, scarf, sunglasses, shoes, and bag. Next up, I popped on a fitted vest, a beret, some chunky jewelry, and my chain lace shoes. A really simple yet bright blazer with matching sunglasses, a funky ring, and of course, oversized earrings. And howdy, partner! A vintage cowboy shirt, cowboy hat, and my funky embroidered boots. And yeah, a little bit of animal print thrown over with my DIY collar necklace and fancy faux fur sunnies. You can also just pair it with some sneakers, a comfy old coat, and take your doggy for a walk.